Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And that's what I'm doing today. Let me show you how I make it. You can find the recipe in the description box below. I start out making a simple syrup. This is 2 cups of water, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. And I'm not going to bring this to a boil, I'm just going to let it steam. I'm also going to zest a couple of my lemons and then put that zest in my simple syrup over on the stove. I want this zest to infuse into my syrup and give it a tinge of a yellow color. Now I want to roll my lemons on a hard surface to soften them up. It's best if you start with some ripe lemons, but you can just roll them on a hard surface with good firm pressure and get them good and soft, and this will make them easier to juice. Then just start squeezing all the juice out of your lemons. Now I needed a glass juicer that I could put this larger lemon on, and I didn't have it handy today, but this works. Keep on juicing until you get 2 cups of lemon juice. And then I'm going to hold my strainer over the pitcher so that I don't get any pulp or seeds in. Put your 2 cups of lemon juice in. This is going to be bold. And then add your simple syrup and your zest. And you notice I left the strainer there to catch that zest. Now get you a mason jar, fill it up with crushed ice, and you are ready to go. Now at this point you have lemonade concentrate. So just taste it, and if you want to add water to make it a little weaker or less bold, now's the time to do that. I like it just like this, and my friend over at Kel's Kitchen, if you haven't seen her, go check her out. She would call this lemonade loaded. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll make this refreshing drink for your family. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know how your family liked it. If you enjoy simple Southern cooking, be sure to like and subscribe, and then check out my other videos. Talk to y'all later.